Marry Aoife, Jacob, and I will paint a frieze that runs from the primordial protoplasm to the two of you. Crown of evolution, shell and bone, antenna and eye, Aoife's as chatoyant as a moonlit Sargasso, yours as sheeny and impenetrable as obsidian. And in the final panels, what has yet only been imagined, a bright band of angelic substance, androgynous, self-coupled, and therefore free of desire. Imagine that, master of music, free of desire.